Hi, my name's John. I'm from Hartford, Connecticut, and I work in real estate.
Morning. Hi, I'm Alexandra. I'm a teacher. Hi, Mom. Out there.
Hi, I'm Clara. I like pina coladas and getting hot in the rain.
Anyway, the rules are simple. We play a sound, they guess it, and the contestant with the most points is going home tonight with $25. Now, for our first sound.
Is it pots and pans?
It is not.
Beep. Is it like metal bars falling down or something like that?
No, any more guesses?
Is it a hydro flask falling over?
Ding, ding, ding. Right. That's smart. Yes. All right. On to our next sound.
Is it construction in New York City?
At what hour of the day?
Literally all of them.
It's a good guess, but no.
Is it a hydro flask falling off a table?
It is another point for Claire. Ding, ding.
Okay.
All right.
But you could hear like drilling in that
For
last
next sound. Here's another one.
What is thunder?
What is an incorrect guess?
Ba-ding! Just like shot in the dark. Is it a hydro flask tumbling down a staircase, very loudly clanking? And then like once it gets to the bottom, twirling slightly as it slowly comes to a stop?
Yes, it is.
That's so oddly specific.
Anyway, now on to our final round. We need to raise the stakes, so this next one is worth triple points. It's anyone's game. Here it is.
That sounds like a logical form.
I'll bet it's like a fucking hydro flask or some shit like that, right? Like it's a hydro flask hitting the stage and then rolling off in the crowd, something like that, huh? Right? Hydro flask?
Are you dumb, John?
My dear John, that was clearly the sound of two adult male African bush elephants engaging in passionate intercourse.
Oh.
Inside of a giant hydro flask.
God.
Thank you. Come see us next time on What's That Sound?